ko. Yeah, pagkain.
Fantastic afternoon, friends. We will now begin our exciting adventure with a spectacular parade, followed by Panda's magical journey.
And the world. Woo! Nasaan the world? Asan entrance?
Sing loud, dance proud, and let's make this a fantastic time to remember.
Picture taking. Anju World. Wala pa guys. Si Maria guys. So naa siya sa castle. Mura siya si Elsa. Elsa! Let it go! Let it go! Ang mga boys baya. Asa na ning mga boys ha? Hoy, asa mo pa dong? Ah, wala magyud. Ferris wheel masakay na magyud ni ron. Yay. Na, tara man jud si Daddy, si Maria. Wow. Hello. Loyas tig video ek pinikuha ng tig video. Dara tig video. Loyas tig video. Asa ulit pa dong? Hello, first. Bumper boat. Ah, okay. Hello. Loyas ha. Hello. Pare si Leo, pagduwa mo. Yes. Pagsakay mo dira ako pantay. Di, pagsakay di. Kaihiyas ako. Pagsakay di. Biking. Day, tanawar ako day. Naunsan ako diri. Mura naman ko aning. Naman, nakaimanggit sila. Alexander La. Koreana ne. Anong sayo? Walang sayo. Vikings to kuyaw. Oh. Sus, nakakaigod sila. Alexander! Ara ka dong! Babl! Day! Paulo! Hulen! Mantay makaihi ha! Wala yung ihi! Bantay lang yun. Dong, sakay ka dong. De, sakay ka de. Ano, nawahi maka. Dali. Si Daddy ay nadugay yun. Dugay kayo naka-design. Naglakaw-lakaw pa. Guys, namin diri sa Anju World. Mao ni ang ilang first ride out of 6 rides na ticket nga ilang gipalit or among gipalit. Correction eh. Now, ano ni aga tana mga boys. Paulo, the birthday boy. Maria, daughter, James Carlo, James Colin. Ang amahan nahabilin di ara na awahi. De. Kaway-kaway sad. Na. Maro kay Daddy da para gyud makatapad og lain. Maro adyo day sakpan jud karon jud ka. Ha, nay awa. Kay sakpan jud ati-ati kan tiguwang jis. No jud ni ron jis. Maro kayong tiguwang. Oh, diba? Magtapon na ganda sila ron. Maro. Adilay, gumayon siya sa kaba. Nagtapon ng tulo eh. Na si Daddy. Pao, kaway. Si Maria. Asa si Inday? Day. Sige, eyeglass ha. Mawa ng eyeglass. video me, de. Lenge. Carl. Ah, naggawas ng dila ni Kulinda ito. Pagani ka larga. Panindigan mo yan. Panindigan mo yan. Huwag kang matakot. Kaya nyo yan. Hindi namin kaya. Dito lang kami. Diyan lang kayo. Naon pa magkakit-kit ko. Mga kaway. Wala. Katawa sa mga kuya. Kitik-kitik sila doon. Kitik-kitik. Kitik-kitik. Yaga-yaga. Makuha naman sila naman. Oh, kumusta? Kumusta amang imong experience, sir?
Wagid,
Wagid na das, kurat. Kadiyot ra kaayo.
walang akong panisip ba? Mamrag mo siyak gani ka sa taas.
Dili raman, kadali raman.
Naon kaya kung ulo kay kung dili.
Ah, okay. Kumusta man? Birthday boy, kumusta? Ayos? Ikaw, Kulin, nagsagit-sagit man ka dito. Day, kumusta ang experience, Day?
Pag yan ang yaw yan.
Octopus.
Nilin na siya.
We're at Tianjin World and it's already nighttime. As you can see, the lights have already turned on, and they're so pretty. Look, I don't know. I don't remember much of this of my childhood, but now that I'm grown, I feel happy doing this. Feels like I'm a child. And we're done with Vikings. Now we're going to this octopus. This will be my second time here in Anju World. And then after octopus, I would like to try the boomerang. And if I try boomerang, that'll be my, I think, third time. Because the first time I was here, I did it twice. So, yeah. It was really fun. And that's my mother. I'm also with my father, my 3 brothers, and my eldest brother's fiance and their son. And then ah, shit. Boomerang, guys. Kanina sad.
Guys, naanasad ni sila diri sa boomerang. Ha? Di ko kapalo. Pau, the birthday boy. Colin. Carlo. Ay, pwede ka dira video? Pwede ka. Boomerang. Hala ka diya. This way entrance boomerang. Yes! Video na lang may kay mga taslakan. Gid hindi mo na kay. So, taslakan. Hala din. Labay-labay. Hala, awesome ni mga boys. Eh. Video na ako sila. Ooh, ang Ferris wheel. Wait ka lang. Ara, media ron. Sakto gina tong oras, good Jess. Wala na pag gimana kayo diya. Day, nakaihi. Nakaihi ba?
Third time sa boomerang.
Third time? Ah, grabe ha. Kimus nakakulin. Okay ra? Murang nakaihi lagi ka. Ha? Nay ni suka? Oh, kamas kuya nimo? Ano unsa man si Carlo? Okay na ka, Carl? Ato agi. Sige.
Hi guys, so we're done with the Snow World, and sadly my mom didn't get to join us there. I'll be showing you some pictures of it. The reason my mom didn't get to join us was because she was the one taking care of my brother's son, my nephew Alexander. But right now we are going next to Ferris wheel. We are now heading to the Ferris wheel. I think we only have a few minutes left for this. We're literally catching for the last minute. It makes sense as well that you have to climb these stairs. You know what? I'm actually glad that we didn't have any snows here in the Philippines. It was because when we were inside the Snow World, it was so cold. Sadly, there is no more Ferris wheel. It's closed. And that's okay. We can come back here next time. But anyway, I was saying, I'm glad there isn't any snow here in the Philippines. It was because it's so cold, guys. And one of the warnings there said not to enter if you have asthma. I get asthma. I don't know, maybe once or twice a year. So I just ignored that warning. So when we were inside the Snow World, it was so cold, and after that slide, I started to have difficulty breathing, and I keep coughing up until now. But it was really a fun experience, guys. You should try it too. But yeah, fun experience once in a while.
Kamu malah?
Dati.
together, and we had so much fun here, and I'm glad to be here again for the second time. And I think the most memorable ride for me would really be the boomerang. I don't know.
Boomerang ride.
Yeah, it's my third time because the first time I was here, I rode it for 2 times. Yes. Bye bye.